Hi everyone, my name is Beth Wheeler. I'm the instructional coordinator for the College Now program at Front Range Community College. My team and I work at the Boulder County campus, and we support the concurrent enrollment courses that are run at Monarch High School to support the High School of Business program. I'm here to talk to you today about those courses. And before I get to that specific information, just want to introduce you to the names and the roles on the FRCC College Now team. Marty Goldberg is our director. He visits Monarch High School's site for steering committee meetings, helps in the decision-making processes for pretty much everything that has to happen for these courses to run at your high school. I'm Beth Wheeler, as you know. I support the teachers who teach the concurrent enrollment courses, and Rick DeVos is the student services coordinator who supports the students who are enrolled in these courses. Joe Harpering is the counselor at Monarch High School who you should contact if you have questions about enrolling into these courses, specifically about how to get the courses into your high school schedule. If you have questions about concurrent enrollment courses at FRCC, you can contact any of us, Marty, myself, or Rick. We're happy to answer any questions you have. At the end of this presentation, I'll give you some contact information, but for now, I want to talk to you about the benefits of concurrent enrollment at FRCC. You have so many opportunities to take courses at Monarch High School that will, put you on the pathway to preparing for college or even starting college. And this pathway specifically is actually being enrolled in completing college courses, earning college credit while at the same time being in high school. So you see I've already addressed bullet point number 1 here, that you are a student enrolled both in a high school course or courses and then in 1 or 2 college courses each semester, depending on what you see is possible for yourself, what your counselor sees as possible for your studies, and also your family members. You'll be completing some general education courses, some transfer courses, and just a reminder that a lot of the courses that Front Range offers at Monarch High School are considered guaranteed transfer pathway courses, and that means that when you are admitted into any 4-year public university in Colorado, those courses are guaranteed to transfer. So lots of benefits here in terms of completing college level courses and making sure that those courses you are enrolled in will get you started on that college career pathway and will transfer to the college you attend after you graduate from high school. The second thing that you need to know about the benefit of concurrent enrollment is how much support your high school and your district is providing for you. First of all, the fact that you can complete a college course during your high school day. This course will be a part of your high school schedule. You won't have to leave the high school to complete the course. The course is contained completely on your high school campus, and that's a really awesome thing that your high school is making that happen and working with my team to make that happen. The other thing that's really exciting is that you will pay no tuition for the concurrent enrollment courses you register for and complete at Front Range Community College. Boulder Valley School District pays for your tuition. So there's really no reason why you shouldn't take advantage of this awesome opportunity. For the last 2 reasons that I want to discuss with you today, tuition is paid for, but here I'm going to tell you is the even more exciting reason. Community college instructors pride themselves on learning as much about the teaching and learning exchange as they can. And one of the things you will hear most Front Range community college instructors and faculty say on the first day of any class is that they are interested in your success. We, again, pride ourselves on student success. So completing a college course now, enrolling in the course, doing the assignments, collaborating with your classmates and your instructor is one of the greatest benefits of this opportunity. And the last point that you see on the slide, I've taught college level courses for 22 years, and I know there is a transition between high school learning and college learning, or what we will sometimes call adult learning. And being able to take a concurrent enrollment course at your high school gives you the opportunity to practice becoming an adult learner in this supported environment. The instructors who teach for Front Range understand that you're both a high school student, but also a rising college student. You're becoming a college student. So we're going to do everything we can to help you to practice learning through activities. So active learning is a really big deal at the college level. Metacognition, thinking about your own thinking, what you know about your own learning process, and what you need to become a successful learner. We're going to help you to practice with those skills. And college instructors also find it very important to assess the learning that's happening in the classroom. So they want to look at the teaching and learning exchange and what they can do to ensure that that's the most successful exchange of information experiences as possible. So assessment is very important to the college instructor. So the benefits, I can't think of a reason why you wouldn't check this out and contact Joe Harpering to find out more about what concurrent enrollment courses are being offered at Monarch and how you can get set up to enroll. Finally, last screen here, last slide, just want to give you some information about how to contact us. If you need more information, you'll see on the screen that I have put the website image for this website. If you have more information about the programs at Front Range Community College, but specifically at the Boulder County campus, please go to the website. You'll see there are links here to give you information about all kinds of things related to student questions, programs, general Q&A, and lots more. Also, if you have specific questions right now and you want to email us, you can do that by emailing us at bcccollegenow@frontrange.edu. And we look forward to hearing from you, answering your questions, helping you to select the courses you'll be taking at Front Range in the near future. Thanks.